This is the Xiaomi Mix 5 and Xiaomi is about to break the barriers once again. So yes, the Mix 5 series contains two devices, the Mix 5 and likely a Plus or Pro variant. Xiaomi is not working on any device named Mi 12 Ultra as of now. Here may see such device late this year, but as of now, the device you are seeing right now is the Xiaomi Mix 5. So real life images of metal mockup coming in from X Leaks, and you can see we have dual curve edges, a 6.8 or 6.7 inch display size, doesn't show any sign of hole punch or notch. The massive change comes in the rear cause there's a huge circular module on top of a rectangular bump. The case images and some sort of official material shows this device is gonna have lots of cameras and some supporting sensor. DCS claims that Mix 5 is gonna take some amazing images and is gonna have new battery and fast charging solution. Here it is like a DSLR on back, and DCS says Xiaomi is joining hands with Leica for this device. So in this case maker image, you guys can see dual periscope zoom lens along with main and super wide sensor. Now shocking news coming in, Xiaomi UI found some information about Mix 5 and Mix 5 Pro Plus in official MIUI source code. Xiaomi is gonna use Surge C2 custom ISP, which is gonna help in taking fast photos and fast image processing. So yes, Surge C2 ISP, likely color signs from Leica, 2 telephoto lenses, this is gonna be a pocket DSLR. Some exciting news in MIUI source code, the display specifications is gonna make you wait for this device. Cause yes, we do have selfie shooter inside display in this device like Xiaomi Mix 4. Xiaomi UI says Mix 5 series is coming with a 6.7 inch display size, 2K plus resolution, 1Hz to 120Hz high refresh rate, and of course no hole, no notch. You watch movies, you play games, this is gonna give an amazing experience, I can tell you guys. The Xiaomi Mix 4 had the best implementation both in terms of display quality and selfie shooter images, so Mix 5 is gonna be awesome for sure. Xiaomi UI also found the Mix 5 aka L1A codename Thor and Mix 5 Pro aka L1 codename Loki. Here devices from Asgard are coming in March. So official China launch is taking place in March and these devices are certified in China, so coming soon. Summing up, Mix 5 soon with Qualcomm 8 Gen 1 Silicon Pocket DSLR with dual periscope lens, Leica color and Surge C2 ISP, Samsung panel, fast charging, huge battery, MIUI 13 which now supports Material U colors and whatnot. This device is a monster. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.